Hey math people, we have a lot of data from our exercise data collection assignment, and it's all like disorganized and kind of a mess and hard to work with. I'm going to show you how to make the computer do some of the work for you. The first thing we're going to do is sort the data. So highlight the columns that we want to sort, click Data, and then Sort Range. Now we can sort by column A or column B. I don't know what those are, so if I click on Data has header row, then now it knows that the top row is titles. So now I can pick what is your age, because I want to sort by age first, because we need age groups. So click that and click Sort. Here we go. So now as I scroll down, I can see that all of the 0 through 18 years data is together. And here we start on our other age groups, all nice and organized for us. But we can do even better. I'm going to click Data, Sort Range. Data has header rows, so it knows about the titles. And the first column I'm going to sort by is the age range. What is your age? Then I'm going to pick another sort column. How many days per week do you exercise? So first it sorts by age, and then it's going to sort by the number of days per week that the person exercises. And now, let's scroll up to the top, and now within each age category, within each age range, the data is sorted from smallest to largest. And this is going to come in really in handy when you're calculating the mean, median, and mode for your data. I'm noticing that the highest number of days exercised for each age group is 7, which makes sense because there are only 7 days in a week. Can't exercise more than that, no matter how much you try. I'm going to show you one more thing that's really useful when you're working with data, and that's getting the computer to add up the numbers for you. We're going to use the sum function in Google Sheets. I'm going to click where I want the sum to be, where I want my total to show up, and then I'm going to type equals sum, S-U-M, and then I'm going to highlight all of the different numbers that I want to sum up. Okay, so I want a total of all the exercise days for the people over 60 years old, and you can see that inside the parentheses there, the letters and numbers match up with the things that I want to sum, the row numbers, and when I hit enter, it gives me my total of 33. Always label. Always give yourself a label so you don't come back later and wonder what the heck that 33 is for. So it's going to be the total days of exercise for over age 60. All right, I hope that is helpful as you do your data analysis assignment. Remember, when you have questions, please ask. See you soon.